Stop! Before you buy a home in Ottawa, there's a hidden fee that could cost you thousands, and most buyers don't even know it exists until it's too late. It's called land transfer tax, and trust me, you do not want to get blindsided by this at closing. Here's what you need to know. Whenever you buy a home in Ottawa, whether it's a house, a condo, or even vacant land, you have to pay a one-time land transfer tax at closing. And depending on your purchase price, this can add up fast. The tax is tiered, meaning different portions of your home's price are taxed at different rates. So 0.5% on the first $55,000. Next, 1.0% on $55,000 to $250,000. And then 1.5% on $250,000 to $400,000, and 2.0% on $400,000 to $2 million, and finally 2.5% on homes over $2 million. So the more your home costs, the more you pay. Let's break it down with a real example. If you're buying a $750,000 home in Ottawa, here's what you'll owe. First, it would be $55,000 at 0.5%, $275. Then it would be $195,000 at 1.0%, $1,950. And then it would be $150,000 at 1.5%, $2,250. And finally, $350,000 at 2.0% equals $7,000, for a total land transfer tax of $11,475, over $11,000 on top of your down payment and closing costs. And most buyers don't even factor this in. And if you're buying in Toronto, buckle up, because there's an additional land transfer tax on top of this one. But here's some good news. If you're a first-time home buyer, you could get up to $4,000 back as a rebate. That can take a big chunk off your tax bill. There are online land transfer tax calculators, but now you actually know how it's calculated. Thinking about buying in Ottawa? Drop your questions in the comments.